Onchumulikiri bono na gukwani ndonsia sobereta semarogoba yabono chinga kino gukwaligania SMS ya Amayia nyaro kumanyigati yari twabireto gukwaligania kurwa semambia yarenge ntambe kwe Chinsa chigabono chibono marogoba litukunili ya gatatu asomutinyi yo gatatu echibono kire tarikisa tomutinyi yo gatatu mwaka bwekiri bubere na merongebere neta turituko neliye jumana manga bereka wakolekana kurwa semambia yarenge ntambe aseri bwango cyo kumanyana ko gusansamuranira asenchira yobo ikirano bunabalike baito ya sangria kurochi ngongo chonsi ime naisiko yorogongo ruwa Gusii na wakondra kutubuate gwetera nsemeli mtandao nsemu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na wege nsemeli ya YouTube na wakotera rubuna Ndizi TV News ritanganike gima tesnyora mangana yua senchira yuko ya chota.
Call upon all the indigenous communities of this country to come together so that we can form a national cohesion and voice to protect our future generation.
Nonye nejira stafara bakandire mbaliko chuwanchira nenyomo yoko nyoma n'abakungu saba kungu go saba sacha kigambero gya supreme obokongu go chasemone.
We want to double the intake of young people joining the National Youth Service from every location in the Republic of Kenya.
Tujikomenta mubaro bwabali bagoso ensemo ya NYS kuru chiribu kumweka chiribu emerongevere otebiru murai wense William Samoei Ruto.
Otebia abantu baito igoro ya amakongu ya ararete omarwaire yo gotaigwa na ingakitora nyare kunyatanga elinde ta sali amatwaito.
Rituko lyogote ugochengerwa nsengi mairende kurwe bintu birere gotaigwa kuno kobuli yogochasa bamenyebe county ya Kisii. Asa yomuonenda mangi seranse kenko manya senchire yobo ikirano urito bwatera nere goitera sumuna wimanyeriyo gakoroko Joshua Auta ilitirana nchinkoro Vincent Onyancha. Igotoko chaka noroboti kurwase county ya Kisii abana boda boda imimucho bosongo litukulia lero kurwase kiombe kema ikatana beyond zero ikiwonokere ekembe kia boda boda nigo mirane likunyara gosanga mange na bwego nigo banyara gosemi gwa banyara kwebwatira niamo nebyombe aho asencheremo yokonyara wekinya kemagendra na sensemo ya uchumi omulikito Josephat ya misi nigikarana sege karokiri tukulia lero na gotwariganira roboti rokubwatia
abana boda boda ime county ya Kisii nigo baburiwe banyarako bakoro sibiganja na kubeka inibo irachiko bagikubakonya asamatuko abo alemotwe
lere twabwate meeting yitu yo mwaka ga Belarus resort twariko kwanira mangana atatu about safety asipara chito na savings ne tendency ya boda boda ya rokanire ase town yitu Gusii county
ayo nigo akwano litukolia lero maiga yo mukutano monene uyo baleta amo abana boda boda anene be stage ya beyond as mobogane oyo mo ime mu chibosongo
kubwa mono ntwabwate kuru Kenya National Chambers of Commerce representative yawe kuru kwe chairman no kerige salinge na intuga twakwanire the need yaba murabaito bakurundie pigipigi bagokora savings so twagiriringa kero muntu guika agese kuru asao karaki akorema guika agese kuru asao karaki akorema igo onde bwensi tayura minyoke na konye onye tobwatia se kwa korire savings chao cha kero mwaka usikire wiki so as beyond border riders ntobwat savings cheito naende nkwena na toro boroni obusini ni ase members baito
bakora wono munyakero go stage yo Cyrus Muchumbe nigo abana boda boda bu babolirie omugavana we county ya Kisii Simbarati anyara ko bakoenekia ikiganja kilia chakilia abana boda boda kiachakira koena na anene loan ochia asaba bwatani be sector yo ya boda boda
group ye korukunga beyond na abantaba ya since ba registered ne sako eliwa introduced tobegete chibeso barule biriro byabo kurumambe bakubolie manage Germany ya chembanga bashirikiane naye wetera those savings tobegeta ase sako tonyore togotwara cheap loans yani loans litura nyale kwa kana kushirikiana na chemba elinde otogorire chipigipigi koru nonye India gose China ichichiragere twakana on a cheap loan.
Abange baba na bodaboda baikira na sense meyo nigo bagokera umuyiga bw'elituko lero ase boigo batebire nenchira ye moyo kubaleta amo na kweneke nkabanyareko bakwegenderia sobugima bwabo bwakira lituko
titoya gwe loan twake meteime tigatoya konyere loan ye
ase staff to chairman yarareta gaiga toisoko ye tia manani na bera tokonya
Cyrus Muchumbe boigo nigo abolirio morembe amono bomo nokubwaterana kwa bene anene ase sector bodaboda imeyo muchobosongo eliokonekia buna obonchorerio bwo banyareko ba asenchira yoboikerano
tigatoba abaigweri tutigamang'ana amange tokora ebiasara biri biatorete town igo asomo nuoyomo Intuanche timang'ana mabe, discipline is our first priority.
Kuripoteri gatasendikia Ndizi TV kure kaunti ya Kisii eriterana Josephat Amisi.
Biamono umurikito Josephat Amisi asorobotirwa senchera yoboye kirano gotigana yubono mwancho umurigeri bunabotambe salikisa tokiro mwaka keroche kirebono mutinyo gatatoni gotogo chengrali tukoryo koiwa wose World Hearing Day izukali boy gomi county ya Kisii bali abali go chengoro kolenga no director oteneta mangana yoboye chenu ase county ya Kisii nigate birubuna abantu banyarwe sokia na kunyara kolengo gosemba bwatumu chando urere mbaba se koigwa boy go Josephat Amisi na tuargandetia mange.
Chitariki Isato cy'umutenyo gatatu mwaka ensengi manige gucengera analytical yo koigwa unagotomanya umunyagitari Geoffrey Ontom.
Tariki Isato mutenyo gatatu neli tuko ensengi ma togo celebrate okoigwa yani World Hearing Day. Aseri tukeliga no gotema ko tebya abantu baito igoro ya amakongu ya ararete omarweire yo gotaigwa na inga kitora nyare kunyatanga elinde ta sali amatweito
korende ningige koirera ogotaigwa anene ase abana abake
mono buna abangina bali murito abana bali balenda na bara batwara obokongu onye bangina mogo che clinic eline mopimu marwaire naro aragera bana mbaigwa na abana bali bakanyora matuka bataraika na bakanyora nga mato na bimo binde mbira babuya elibichikogera gochiyo bugima bwabo mutu mbali konyara koigwa bose oko ekereri ryo koiborwa abandi mbali banjite koiboreranka gose kuibarira sata wenerati kwanyora nga obokongu bwatokire abana baumire
omunyagitari Geoffrey Ontom oigoni gatebire anene no nyabanta banene goikera bare ase miaka anene batali konyara ko baba gotwara libaga lyo koigwa
naboigo abantu abanene barabwo nabo konyora nga amakongu abeire mono una chi accident bose gwaka na chindo esa mato amakubaya bose obogotu wageranga okoigwa kwiranirense
abantu bonsi nigo basemiwe anene abanene amona bake banyara ko bagwesokia na gwikirana na chinyagitari anene limukero mwaka linde banyara ko bakonyora obulingolia bwa mato
igo ngote yangonde bwensi okoigwa nga koyukwaye ingoli buna konya kwarenge bose aye ekarwa ko amba no muiboliogo gose aba grandparents kwanyorire nga nkuirole chingaki akanya gotenga ngakwana gwakwana irole rango oyigo ngana babwato obokongu netakiro morete ase ebitaseni byaito
ogosemia okonene nguchia samanto balia anene bagokora emiremo samalio giare banyara ko bagwetanga na boigo koriye bintu biri bikobekwa samato elinde bagendera ko bagokora emiremo ase bunayo
ase abantu bali bakora ase egasi yabo eusikanetesa amalio giare igoro egento ndabatengeringa imatakere gotumia ebintu biri byogo lenda mato we call them ear plugs or ear muffs ekere kwa ibekire lirio asoregas eliogiri na rebe igoro indiri koumisa amato mono
kuripoteri gataseni Ndizi TV kule nyakitali ya Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital yegotoka ime county ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Amisi.
Biamono umurikito bene Josephat Amisi hasorobotirwa senchira yobo ikirano gotingana yubono nigo mubunge kurwase bunge ya Nyalibari chageza iri chanda akwanira mangana arengeta magendro anase bunge ya ina boigaso bwagalime yense ya Kenya chinga kiyeza iri janda ni gate birubuna ebuna nsemo ya Kenya kwanza mbali kokoseka no korobekana uko abere gokoroberwa no muri wazimio one Kenya ligo chinga kiyo chiri murebeke makia ODM rera murodinga sokorobiryo korobekana anaso kwamereriya eserikali aigasinse ya Kenya magechukura gokorekana ni gate birubuna omurai wense William Samuel Ruto na chokora magendra atari kogoswa no kurobekana wazimio one Kenya agote yabuna nigo barabwatira no sobu ama na barayibande kunyarwekirania magendro asense ya Kenya.
The President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, is a man that demystified the politics of blackmail. We, as the ruling coalition, we will not agree to be threatened by protests or mass protests. We are telling the Azimio Brigade that the full force of the law will be applied to anyone found contravening the law, destroying any Kenyan property. We will not take it lightly. The president just came to office. We inherited a dilapidated economy. He's trying to fix the economy, and we have said that the issue of subsidy, which used to benefit 2 or 3 individuals or companies, the president made it very clear, His Excellency William Ruto, that he will come up with a comprehensive master plan of how we will give fertilizer to our people so that we can bring down the cost of living. On this other issue of Azimio, I want to tell Azimio that if you have no business to do, then don't do it in Kenya. We are ready for you. We are not going to have a handshake. Here, I can assure you, there is nothing like that.
Na hekira yubona gendrete kiombe gyo kurwania mangana rengeto bukurum Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission ni gobono bate birebuna babwire kina aneke bwaterenti omokarani we bunge ye county ya Omabe na boigono murugyo ya Evarinio Gutu abwase kiombe kia ESC kia boliti kukenyara kumwireneria enibe shilingi chi milioni 25 nemo kolengana no mutini we kiombe kora sorogongo rwa South Nyanza ni gate birebuna ni gobono ESC ya wire kyombekyo na yasenige ya wire kinekyo na tere gochikoira ya shilingi chi milioni 25 nemo unakonyoro ya chikirwe abulitanga ni mulike tomirde mumanyi na roboti rwa senchira yoboime.
To have the 26 million, for example, stashed in an account waiting. Once we've gotten a judgment like we have, we go for whatever assets that we'll lay our hands on, so long as we are able to recoup that which we want. And by the way, it's not just 26 million. There's also the interest, by law 12% from the date that acquisition was done. So we are still going to also get the full amount plus the interest at the rate of 12% per annum, plus the cost of this suit. And of course, I've also mentioned to you that the criminal aspect is still ongoing on court. That can also come up with his own judgment, where he may as well be convicted, jailed, and also fined, because there's a crime and there's the proceed. For now, we have dealt with the proceed. The crime is still a subject of litigation in court. Yeah. There are other ongoing investigations which I need not tell you more about because they are still in process. But I can tell you there are quite several, not only in Homa Bay, but even in the counties that I mentioned that we are covering. That is Nyamira, Migori, Kisii and Homa Bay. It happens that the same week that we are getting this judgment, we were also still on the Homa Bay case. Now the executive, the whole of this week we have been engaged in what we call ADR process of recovering assets that were also illicitly acquired by some members of the county executive of Homa Bay, employees who are getting multiple salaries, those who are even getting salaries when already they were not serving within the same county. And we had about 19 persons who have been engaged this week, and we are targeting to recover about 42 million. That is excluding the interest on the same. And we expect starting this month, we are going to start making those recoveries. As far as the criminal bit is concerned on the same, that is again separate. So you can see we are approaching this thing in a two-pronged way. We are pursuing the crime at the same time dealing with the proceeds. So the matters we've dealt with this week are things that happened way back in 2015, 2016. How many years now down the line? 8. So even those who may be engaged in such activities now, they may be thinking we are not on them, but you can see it takes time before these things mature.
Nago tigana yubono nigo omukolemere moyo mukuru wa serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira uyosire kumabwa ya Chinsa cyobo tutukano ekro mubiro yo togeta soro kirwa makairo gotoka se kaunti ya Nyamira nigo bono omukolemere meyo ainigwa ali tukolia lero Chinsa ya mochiri cha Nyankongo echi gotoka se bunga ya West Mugrango imeye kaunti ya Nyamira na bwekira boni go ni getigalete na maburi go chia sabange na kiko nyarekano mubiro ye otogeta soro kirwa rwa makairo imeye kaunti ya Nyamira muri kitokoro se kaunti ya Nyamira jobu maange na roboti wa Sinchira yoboime
nigo yaba ebiriro ebinene asamatanga yokomweni ya Douglas Onduko ensemo ya Nyankongo egotoka ase ward ya Bonyamatuta ebunge ya West Mugrango oyo legokora emirimo asense muyorosagerwa internal auditing county ya Nyamira
kwao uwanja kwao
niga beteka gusiria obugima bwa ya Sinchira yobotantanu asomubiro ye otogeta soro kirwa makairo
naganai iganai urwa na makaire disansine rawosete
bakora uno mwaziri wenibo Emily Ongaga abakoliye emirimo be county Nyamira mbaikira nakolerisia enka yaye
Douglas ne department ya narenga wa colleagues tuakora nerega assistant department ya audit ande nonyeni kwe ne department nabo kwichamete
Ona asa mwana ya ayo oyo ya kolete ya saa nera koleti amwira nebye wala sana se family ayanuka
asibate banigo bamaete buna omukoli emirimo omwegenwa noyo legokora egasi yaye Asenchira yoboikiranu
in delivering service to the county government of Nyamira and more so the director of internal audit. Tunazidi kuombea familia, Mungu awafariji.
Kwa niaba ya Government of Nyamira na kitu atevile pole sana.
Omo MCA Elijah Abere nagikeria ogoko kwaye asate babikoro bunebi nebyo goichania
kuragirenge ke asreletaria Yesu erina babo korege ke banyoro morende asuru na
omo Father Paul Nyambane oyora omoroberi oyo boigo nateba engane ni yogoichania asaba gusabira enka yaye na kugikeria abakoretege koreke
nacho bali na kumo ndago ako ya no mweka bo mwalyo lakini otaro cha sako ya ne oyati chetu ya na ujisiko mweka soka so lwet a forced death ya cha sawe kwe tusabera na ya kolete aya rama ya omoyo udagira so tumokase asomorebe from God he came and that dream has returned.
Bono amaburio nalinga ninkikirerete ogosira kwa mwana oyo kurwa se county Nyamira ginko reporteria Ndizi TV Job Maangi
engora gochia senkeyo mwanchumulikira bono tugotigana nayo bya mono boigo mulikito kurwa se county Nyamira Job Mangi asoroboti ura Sinchira yoboikira Ekiombeke mo kamenyekante buna art ni gobono kagendrete no murubiri byo gotarira abantu bali abatakanwa boigo batabati abasacha anene ha sorgongo huru Afrika muna sense ya Kenya kiombekyo ni gobono balengeri tukulialera sense mo ya Nyakache gotoka se county ya Kisumu omumsebwe ward ya ibeno kurase county ya Kisii ni gonera koleta rego ikasense mejo erikonyara kuligeri na kiombeke kruo obokonyi gochiase abasubati abo anene bali ya babwata bana gwetani babere boigo bale nebyinyi byenyamore roboti uro Asenchira y'obwime.
Ngokoraneri shirika ekoroku HEART ne acronym Community Health Education Africa Resource Team nigo togo korega si nabangina bare single mothers either widow gose tanywomiri gose umugaka kamutama lakini nabo atabana gweta ni babere abo akorenda nande na menyete ne virusi by'enyamoreo
ne kiombe kemo kigendrete kurobo konyi gokia saba takanwa abo gomenyete ne byinyi by'enyamoreo omuyegorero ni gokorekana sensemo ya Nyakachi gutoka Meye County ya Kisumu abo asomwe MC kurwa segodi ye beno Stivarika aikerana senseme yo asachi komanyamange anaigoro yomurubuli yo kurwa sekombe kikamanyekante buna art
Marita Stivarika mwemsewe godi ye beno itwarwa Kisii County paka Nyakachiga korora basungu buna bagendete kokonya abantu bari HIV positive na kubabundisa na kibagwekonyole kibesa gweterasa amago kabo enyombe yere magaga iga nero babagachire babaligeiri obolemu bakababaire weterari na bana ba Gusii no bale as a foundation ye
arika gukwana kurwa senseme yo ya Kisumu nigate abunani go batara iri kunyara konyorobo semya na masomo anenchera yo kurenda abantu bare nebinyi binyamoreo anene abasubati ngana tebire go chigekerania ana sensemo yaye ase godi yebeno
twaranga tigatoche na bande bachokora benchmarking egera torusi ubungaini bwaga na intutoire igali Gusii kiagera Gusii bwate mirobeli buneyo na injini tagete aseibeno
chinga kicho bali baikirana senseme yubo igoni go batebire buno bosemye banyora nigo baraba konya soko nyara komenyekero bagendrete komenya nebi benyamoreo na kuboria serikali ye county ya Kisii ya Nyamira asorongorwa Gusii kunyara kubwatira na kolenda abantu bare nenyamoreo
igekero twachirege gatwarorire gasingi yegendrete na igintu gyatogokiri mono gaiga abagambi bare kurwa se Chinsa mechi gaiga nigo babwatiseti abantu aba bagocha abantu abaminta barabu osabasani aba barabu bagocha sengencho yo gusira abangina baitu na intuba igo n'abagambi nigo tokuye twasegetiru mono togochigate abagambi baitu na kuba mono Kisii County government they join hands with donors while supporting our people
kwera ni ngambi ya mono so muske Stivarika asoko tolenta ga Nyakachi toyero kiyamangana yara amange asabanta bamete ne frusi kobo yo mobo toyero kiyamangana amange stigma teyo ga stwacha paka abana basaidol sense no bali na ntu twari gusaba abatenete sirikeye nyondi bancha na ntu balente nyari bari chache ibeno wodi ikyana ntu twatabana abange barora baiseke banda banyomira batigire boka
korengana ne kiombe kikamanyekante buna HEART nigo gyate abuna bagendrete kurobo korri bwabo county ya Kisii tratikana maiga yo kurobo korri obwa samenyi be county ya Kisumu waigomba chikurobo korri bonda se county ya Kakamega.
We are in here in the catch, 2 places in Kisii, Ucha and Menga. We are up Kakamega. We have work in Mombasa, and we have work down in Old Onion Yoki, which is by Magadi.
Kwa niaba ya kina mama tumekuja hapa kujifunza jinsi ya kuendelea. Haswa siku ya leo tulikuwa tunaangazia mambo ya HIV, vile mtu anaweza kuwa naishi na pia jitafutie mapato ili aweze kujistahimili yeye mwenyewe.
Ekyo getigarete bono no konyara kubaikange abantu bare nebinyi benyamoreo libaga lyokobasera. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV kuransemo ya Nyakachi kutoka Meye County ya Kisumu iliterana nchinkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Korwa Nyakachi Kisumu County goika Girgir Meye County ya Nakuru. Umurewense William Samuel Ruturito Koliaro ni garabe no moyegabo kubekoro cyugutwa abasaye kurwanse ya NYS National Youth Service abo bano bakora amahigiri yabo nakubekoro cyugutwa Koliaro rero ruto gukwana kurasense meyibono ni gabo le cyugwizaro aho imeye serikali kwaneke bunankobeka bali nsemo ama bagemero ngeteto abo banabo yaneta kwa gochia se bali bagukora amahigiri yo kurwasense ya NYS ngaki ruto boyigoni gate abuna igo bagochiko mentum barobwa bali bagosense ya NYS kiro mwaka owabere bakonda abasayikiri bukumi bonni wachikulika abasayikiri wemerongebere asensemo ya NYS roboti rwa senchire yobo ikero na Brighton Makore.
Umurai bwenze Dr. Wiramuto wono ni garurogo Chicago ji ase wizara y'uburendi bwaime amo n'uburendi bw'isoko kwene kuna basahe bali bakurwa ase kiombe kya National Youth Service ngonyora baramabaga ase chinsemo cy'abanyanyimbo asense ya Kenya kaukwana asensemo ya girigiri asekirana umuyiga bukubegerwa egutwa kwa basabu ni gateruna basabu ni go bakorire miremo yabo buya.
Congratulations graduates for your achievement so far. Your contribution to transforming Kenya has already been felt. The nation awaits more with high expectation.
Boy gumurai bwense ni gana kiruna umubaro ni gola chikomentaka hasekiombe kyo.
We want to double the intake of young people joining the National Youth Service from every location in the Republic of Kenya as a mechanism of creating sufficient patriotism and giving opportunity to young people in rural areas who otherwise may not have the means or may not have the opportunity to be able to explore their talent.
Asensemo yokwene kuna ensi ya Kenya janyo rindagira isaine.
This spirit of productive learning should extend to the cultivation of 80,000 acres of land under commercial food production. I have already had a conversation with the management of the National Youth Service. We have already agreed that the government of Kenya is going to provide agricultural machinery to support NYS agricultural sector for food production, to enhance self-reliance by NYS, and to support national food production as we seek for food self-reliance as a country.
Umawasiri wamangana achenda igaikirana asensemeye kiratogire kyombekyo ase emiroberi yaye ekigendete gokora.
The National Youth Service has aligned its programs to contribute to the realization of the Kenya Kwanza bottom-up economic transformation agenda in the key 5 sectors, which include agricultural transformation, micro, small, and medium enterprise, housing and settlement, healthcare, digital superhighway, and creative industry.
Umugavana we county ya Nakuru Susaniki Kanerebono niganyare kagotogie kyombekyo anene asikiabeire ogosiro konego cyase county ya Nakuru.
Your Excellency, as a county, we are really delighted to be able to host this institution that has done or continues to do a very good job in helping build the nation by the kind of skills that it imparts on these graduates that I see here today, as well as those who have passed by here. We have seen the level of innovations. We have seen the technical skills that are being taught here. And as a county, Your Excellency, as Nakuru County, I aspire to partner with this institution to help train some of my staff, and especially those in enforcement.
Ngoriboti ligataseni Candice TV, editariane Brighton Makori.
Na hoi gobono homokonyi humure wenzeri gadiga shawa ni gobono anyaraga kubodia bali mikunyaro wesokya anasoko ne kibunanko ni bali chibande cyabo cya serikali rigadigo kwani tukoliara ni gate birarabo mu chandomo nene serikali ese komukige tambukiro nakora chibando kura chinze chisiko ni go barachikole mali mangana renge tobolemi anne bu chibanda igasense ya Kenya ni gase mili bali mu wesokya na koni chibando cyabo elikonyara gwikirania amaganio ya serikali yo gukora nchara.
Hivyo iko upungufu wa mahindi katika soko, na kwa hivyo serikali imeamua tutalete mahindi kutoka nje ndio tuweze kupata chakula katika Kenya. Kwa hivyo ningetaka kuchukua nafasi hii nikiwa kiongozi wenu ambaye anampenda kushauri wakulima, msingojee mahindi toke nje kwa sababu itaharibu soko. Yale mahindi yote mko nayo kwa store kuanzia leo saa 8 muachilie kwa ile bei iko kwa sababu ni bei nzuri. Mukishindwa kufanya hivyo mutapatwa na ile mahindi ya kutoka nje na bei ya mahindi itateremka mkiwa na mahindi kwa store. Kwa hivyo sisi tukuwa viongozi wenu ambaye wanampenda, wanamshughulikia, tunashauri nyinyi leo nikiwa hapa kwa niaba ya rais wetu, kwa niaba wa serikali yetu ya UDA na Kenya Kwanza, tafadhali wakulima katika hapa Uasin Gishu, pande ya Kitale, pande ya Nakuru, pande ya Kakamega, tafadhali muachilie mahindi ile iko kwa soko, bei iko sawasawa, iko mzuri, ndio muweze kuweka hiyo pesa kwa bank, mujipange nayo pale mbele.
Ayungati yari mwanchu murigero wana oto kwaligania semargoba yabona semesa ya mangana majatiganya ora majade kane meronge totane ya mochi abutukirisa to chemono butuko ekironto kome na ndemo Steven Captain number 001 korense mendi studio to manyamange anasa mangana halingete chiko sorito skonko randa sege kege kerebosio.
Mwancho muri koranda sasa ngenda gutengere taseni kya Ndizi TV kurwa mangana Amayia kurwa sege taseni nambe ya Ndizi TV obwansu wo Gusii tia bono kwarigani bena sa mangana Amayia ye chigo so libura botambe reterane ndemo Steven Captain 001 Nyoto chaka mangana Amayia ye chigo so kurwa sesemu ya Kitengela ensemu ya Nairobi Street kolia lero omoyega bwo kwene wakwayo kabiro munyakiro gobwe timu ya Shabana FC Dr. Yabesh Nyandoro kambyo nyara koba kokorekana omoyego jona kuretamo abana siasa kuru Chinsa au korwa iga sorongo rwa Gusii amo nababwatani nabanchi nabateteri be timu ya Shabana FC abanyara wikirane enseme yuko nyara kwana na maskani yo mweli uchaso yo kabiro munyakiro gobo Dr. Yabesh nyora buna Dr. Yabesh Nyandoro kambyo nyate koba kagosira umutie nyoeta abwasa nyara gwikigwa senyagetari ya Aga Khan Hospital kurende chinguru cha banyagetari konyara koira ndo bigima bwaye nyandete gutwara matunda na konyara koba kagosira kabwate miaka 50 nevere okobanyate kobaga koiboru mwaka 1971 ensemeri skimu ensemeri ya Bobasi constituency na niganyalete kobo mwaka 1996 akonyara komonywa musubati Jane Nyandoro na wikogosira kwaye nigo baseseniri na abana batatu na nyarabura Dr. Yabesh Nyandoro kambe nigabeire kano na gwancha chigosori kobagati ya bali banyarire ko bagucengeru gutwale nkole ndabuyo gokonya gwetera biri babwate amuna inga ke maso gwancha mngana yobura ya mngana ya siasa wasante ko bagakoborie kirogo ase ensemeyu ya boba ensemeyu makane buna Borabu constituency nigo toko rupole bunegeta seni kya Ndizi TV gochia senka amate na basani ba Dr. Yabesh Nyandoro kambi totigana na mangana arengete Dr. Yabesh Nyandoro kambi notokora na igase county ya Kisii abwasi chiko soli chechi skuru chesi kana chanya kwa chiko chakavena seviti au ase kerango keligia insepe kerango keligia zonals echuchiga ndeleta ase chinsemo au tokomekere zone ya Getembe nigo tokonya kwene kegubuna nigo chiskuru emeronge vere nebiro chanya kwa chiko esoki na kwa soli chiko soli checha gitelit kuliego na konyara kwa chiko era litukulia lero bwa togote biguno mulikyo monene ase ensemo ya Getembe omanyekaine buna Alfred Ongera unagotoerera
Koruli tukoria igoro ntubwate games chigendrete twabwate handball twanyorte chitimu chia qualified ntwabwate cross country njerete igoro na inde asiri tukoria lero ntubwate athletics nje togendrete abana mbagendrete and they are doing well at zonal level ntubwate term 1 activities tubwate basketball 5x5 tubwate athletics tubwate swimming tubwate cross country tubwate handball ibine biem tubocho korekana term 1 as a zone lakini kwa na rugby 15 lakini kwa nyoranga chi zone ninchiro chitabwati mepira nero ta nyor ko zones una rugby 15 basketball 5x5 to kwa nyora lakini chiko chakera si sub county ngocha kana school yane ya Kema Bundu Secondary School Kisii School tubwate Kereri Girls tubwate Nyancho Boys Nyancho Girls Nyancho Adventist tubwate Boronyi tubwate Otamba tubwate Masongo There are 11 boys schools, 11 girls schools. Ase ezoni ya Getembe imepire kubwate ne itobutambe ero wikatubuento maitebo mupiro kurunga basketball 5x5 na 3x3 iye ronko bwatore mupiro koroku nona maminyoko na arotora abensake lakini handball ino otora aroro rugby hockey ezoni ya Getembe ne ero ego produce a good number of schools and champions be mepire. Maliza.
Abwa wasichiga soli chiechi secondary nigo gatia obwatani banyarire kwa bagweso kinagosebe serikali unyara kwena kibunango sokire mapema chibesa chiri cha activity fee kwenda gokonya mangani chigo soli mechi skuru ase bazarende serikali kwena kibuna ebintu byo kogosori chigo soli na infrastructure ye chigo soli kunyarire ko bage wikarane gwasichi skuru ao erikorere biyegwe binge kunyara kubwatu na gosiru kuna tokwena kibuna gati yaba bwatani korwa nsemu ye chigo soli korwa segeti ya Kisii school
ero Friday ntwaleta abana chi 100 meters ntubwate 200 ntubwate 400 sport chonsi ntubwate government nebenente emente chibese yani facilities che school chibe modern na training era bebia sajida bukoru sports coach ya Gusii chimo keigoro njirocho facilities nchibe school nchibe atipi so government yara komenta chibesa na bayale kunyale kananga school chinyingira bachibe train na bomokora mtukari wechimotu sports ya Gusii na bachiko mende kwa school ya Gusii
iye ndonda sabe serikali esabono erindo ko facilitate games sigendere buya ngelinga tikaba bana baro mapema ko release activity fees tibe sitio chikotumeka ko cha school so that no nechi principles ya nyolenga kiraisi choko facilitate the games chiko endera se EBT. Number 2 asa abana eserikali nero tige eteme ko develop ko nurture talents matena bo amwana go tware talent lakini serikali tiri ko support aguno ko bobo kungu bokake bone nake abana bali bagendete ko participate. We wish them all the best. Na abatara ikera ntogenda ko basabira nga improving your talent. Asa ange talent na bego ko konya na inde talent yo isoko inacha buya na bego ko bekera no ndagere mesa in future.
Chomorere andake abuno to ikero mweli bamangana Amayia ye chiko sokore gase getaseni kia Ndizi TV asabana ko arigani na koirani asense meri ya studio A Vincent njata bina lia tigari tina lero iga igentekia goseke bengi akorekanete Vincent Onyancha na bega hotebi
Demo Steven Biamono kurwa sense mende studio na manga kolekane teri tukubuna site kuni chale rumo chumurigereria ayo ndake ndabe ngo kumanya gocha sama tuko aligosia analituko iria ya Jumatatu ikirabute nga kiromo smane mangana mayumo chumurigereria asenchera yobo ikiranu ganda gutubwate gotena semeli mtandao semu ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital nabaga semeli ya YouTube na bakotana buna Ndizi TV News orzo kubatera nere gotera sumuna hoimanyerio igakoroko Joshua Auta kero Petro niramokera ane kichibi chamo nilio gicha wikira senchera yobo ikiranu botuko bujeretirana inchen koroko Vincent Onyancha